was a great stain. Now we've got a ton fucking paperwork to do. Remember, I'm still wired. Let's change gears for a moment. What we know at this time is that on June 16th at approximately 6:16 p.m., you conducted a routine motor vehicle stop. What happened after you searched the car?
I don't know, it's kind of embarrassing.
Why is it embarrassing?
It's just, she propositioned me.
Propositioned you for what?
She's the one who came on to me. I'm a lesbian, okay? It's what we do. Do you realize that this girl's fabricated lie is literally destroying my family? It could cost me my career?
You're right. That is how violent lesbians behave. How did those bruises get there? Did she ask for those too? And what about the ripped clothes? I've been a cop in this precinct for 9 years. My mom was a cop. My mom's mom was a cop. We have always sided with the gays. Not anymore. It's a new world, Officer Davis. I need your badge and your gun. You're under arrest.